Hey explorers! Today we're going to learn something very special. The 5 magical letters A, E, I, O, and U. Are you ready? Let's get started. Vowels help us speak, sing, and read. They hold words together like glue. There are 5 main vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. Take a look at this word without its glue. It's missing something, right? Add the vowel A and cat appears, a whole and happy word. Now that we've seen how vowels work like glue, let's meet them one by one. Our first vowel is A. Can you say A? A is in many words. Let's practice together. Cap, ant, rat, and bat. One more time together. Cap, ant, rat, bat. Next up is E. Let's try it together. Bed, ten, pen, and hen. You did it! Once more. Said slowly. Bed, ten, pen, hen. Very good! Next comes the vowel I. Say it with me. I. Ready? Let's practice. Fig, tin, pig, and wig. Again. Fig, tin, pig, wig. O is round and cheerful. Can you make the O sound? O is found in the next words: log, dog, box, and fox. Marvelous! One more time. Log, dog, box, fox. Finally, last but not least, is U. Say it with me. U. Okay, superstar, let's practice together. Bus, hut, sun, and cup. Once more. Bus, hut, sun, cup. You did it! Well done! You've met all 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. These vowels are so important because they help make every word come alive. Without vowels, words like cat would just be C-T, and mom would be That would sound funny, wouldn't it? So remember, vowels are the heart of our words. But hold on, that's not all. Yes, there is more. Do you know what makes vowels extra special? They can go anywhere in a word, and sometimes there is more than one in a single word. That's why vowels are super versatile. And guess what? Sometimes vowels like to work together when they team up to make new, special sounds. Let's take a look at a few examples. A and I say A, like in rain. E and A say E, like in leaf. O and A say O, like in boat. O and U say ow, like in house. E and E say E, like in tree. O and O say oo, like in moon. That's why we call them magical vowel teams. Here's a fun rule. When 2 vowels walk together in a word, usually the first one says its name, makes its long sound, and the second one is quiet. For example, in rain, A says its name and I is quiet. Well, my little whiz kids, that wraps up the lesson for today. Be sure to come back and go through these lessons again. Thanks for joining us today. If you had fun, smile and say, "Vowels are awesome." Be sure to join again for more learning adventures. Bye for now.